to be today working on updating our game, our AI game that can chase us. It learns to chase us. It learns to figure out how to come after us. And it's with real AI, like not pretend AI, like real AI, like we're really using AI algorithms. We'll use a proximity detection function, which should be pretty easy. I think it'll be a really easy one. I'm actually really excited about this. I think this is gonna be a really easy proximity detection algorithm that we're gonna get started with right now. Add a proximity detection to our game here. So we've got the proximity function, which we just wrote. We're all nice and happy with that. Nice and happy with proximity detection. And then what I want to do is to say if it's within a certain, if we also need a collision detection is what we need. We need a collision detection as well. You could also make it a bool, so sending a threshold parameter to a distance. Oh, there you go, collision. That's it, Jeremy. We're thinking the same thing. So I want to create a collision function, def collision, and then I believe so. We need to have the size of the element, which is going to be, so we're going to do full, like legitimate, full on, 100% accurate circle collision. So you could do boxed collision, right? What's the game? The game is a game where the AI learns to chase you. Actually, we don't need it. We don't need to comment that out. So check this out. So here's the game. Let me see if it pops up here. All right, here's the game. So here's the AI. Obviously, which one's the AI? I don't know. I don't know which one's the AI. And then like the green cursor is you. And see, the AI is on easy mode right now. It's not on hard mode. It's on easy mode. And it learns. It'll learn. It'll learn to come after us. It learns. So it's really learning. You can see here in the terminal window. You can see in the terminal window the loss function and the epochs and the training epochs are happening in the background. So I've got this. This does a collision. This is a collision. Although I want to also return. I want to return the actual. I want to see how close they are. I want to see if it's 1 pixel away or 20 pixels away, because I'm going to use that. So I need to return extra stuff. I need to return more than just true or false. So here's the distance, right? And then I need to also grab this right here. So this is I don't know. I don't even know what to call this variable. What do you call this variable? What is this variable right here? Because I want to assign this to a variable so that way I can give us a calculation. I want to calculate this. All right. So what is this? It's I guess the sum of the radius. It's the sum of the radius. It's the combined radius between the two elements. I don't know what you call this. We call it radii. I'm just gonna call it radii. I don't know what else to call it. Unless you guys have a better name for it, let me know. Radii. And then I want to return also distance minus radii. Is that it? Distance minus radii. So distance will be bigger than radii, right? So if it can go negative, it can go negative. So distance minus radii, I think this is the answer. So we'll just say collided equals like that. So they collided and distance. We'll do that as well. So we have the distance and collided. So what we can do is we can update. This is where we need to change the shake right here. We need to change the shake. So the actual shake right here. So I want to say if how far do we want to go? So we need to have like a distance. So like how many pixels? There's like 100. When we get within say like 200 pixels, I want the player to start shaking. So within 200 pixels. So 200 pixels minus distance, and then we do distance. Wait, distance. And then also we need to update this to do collided. We have to do that because that means you lost. That means you failed. That means the AI caught you. So let's see here. So if the distance is it's like less than 200. There we go. Then we want to say game.background.shake. Oh, we forgot to undo it. Okay, I that's the thing that we forgot to do. Else, we got to return it back to 0. We got to return it back to 0, you guys. Else equals 0. Otherwise, it stays shaking. We don't want it to stay shaking. Okay. Write tests. I know, right? David, you're right. We should totally be writing tests. I don't know why we're not writing tests. We should be doing that. We should have a test that's written for this. All right, so here we go. So no collision. Oh, okay, there we go. All right, let's try. Okay, so our math is wrong. Our math is wrong. It's wrong somewhere. It's wrong somewhere. What was the? Okay, here it was. Okay. Shake equals 0. Let's see here. Let me. We need to log it. I need to log it. Let's do it. Print this. We need to print this. Perfect. Here we go. Let's see where we're at. We need to print it. I need to print shake. Actually, I want to make sure. Okay. So radii looks fine. Distance is not. Oh, because they're floats. We need to turn them into integers. All right. Got it. So we could do that pretty easy, right? Proximity, and then we just say int like that. Perfect. I didn't realize that they could be floats. Getting any shake? Oh, yeah, we are getting some shake, but not nearly enough. So 200 is still way too much. Let's do 100. Let's see what that looks like. Do we want it to be a subtle shake or a lot of shake? See, like I don't know if you can tell, but it is shaking. It's shaking right now. It's definitely shaking. That's pretty good. I think we can make that more intense. Let's make it more intense. A little bit more intense here. All right, let's go right here. Let's see here. I want it. Let's do 20. I think 20 should be perfect. I think that's right in the middle. That's right where we're looking. We want the shake to be note. All right, so you're getting close. You're getting a little too close. A little scary. A little scary. All right, see, that seems good. Okay, so now you get a feel for it. Like you get a feel like, oh, don't go towards the AI. Do not go towards the AI. There you go. All right, that's it. We did it. We achieved the goal. That was like the thing that I wanted to do. We got the AI and see, like it's learning. It's learning where we're at. So don't get close. Don't get close. Stay out of sight. Stay out of sight. Stay away. Stay away. As far away as you can. Right? You don't want to get too close. And then let's see if we can get the game over screen. Let's see if we can get the game over screen. So like, oh, you're getting scared. It's getting scary. And then if we actually touch it, then it should be game over. So that's what we need to do. Let's do the game over screen next, I think. Added screen and player shake on proximity, which is the whole thing on proximity between AI and we're building an AI game, a real AI game, not pretend AI, like real AI, like we're actually using AI. You can see our model right here, see the real model right here. Here it is. Here's a model, right? And then we train the model. So we're using Pytorch here. And it's so fast it doesn't even need to run on a GPU. It works perfectly fine on a CPU. I think we did it. I think that was it. We achieved our goal. We did proximity detection. It's scary now. We'll play it one more time. And then also when we add collision, the game over screen should draw. See, right? It's just scary. It's like, oh, don't stay away. Stay away from the AI. Oh, you know you're not supposed to get close. If you get close, something bad's gonna happen, right? Something bad's gonna happen. Say, oh, it's coming for us. No, stay away. No. Yep. See, there we go. See the AI. See, it's learning. Collision. So if we collide, then I think we should do a game over screen. All right, let's see if we can do that. So where is this? So here's our game that we're doing. Play. Is play? Yeah, it is. It's definitely play, right? So state play. All right, state play. So all we have to do is check to see if the player collides and then return, and that will be under the game scene. Here we go. So I think that's what it is. I think we're not calculating collision at the right spot. So we need to calculate the collision when it's, so here, see, perfect. Okay. So we need to recalculate the collision is taking, right? We moved the player. It's double use. Okay. So this should work. This should work now. Okay, it worked better. That time. It didn't work perfect. It didn't work perfectly. All right, so here we go. So see how it's shaking? So it is touching. I see it touching, but okay. I want it to be a little bit more sensitive than that. A little bit more sensitive. So let's see here. Game collision, shake, distance. How do we do that? You are ending the program when collision happens. Yeah, I know. That's where you have to clear the objects on the screen. Maybe we're intentionally ending it. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Because we will have like a reset and there'll be a full game loop, right? So we got our game loop down here. The game will actually render game over and then it exits. So this is the exit. So it delays. It delays by 3 seconds and then it closes. Are you using an import for the AI? Yes, we're using Pytorch. You can see here on the screen is you want to be a sensitive distance. It should be calculated from the center AI to the center and to player's AI mouse. Yes, that's exactly what we did. So we've got the X, Y, and coordinates of the AI and the player's position, which is the cursor, right? The mouse cursor right here. We got the mouse cursor. And then this will give us the distance between the center. Now we want the radius. So the radius, so this is the radius, I believe. I believe this is the radius. Let me check here. Draw circle. Let's double check. So let's see here. Draw. Let's go up to draw really quick. Draw circle. And then I believe circle is around here somewhere. Here we go. Let's draw circle. And this is going to be a function that says radius. Okay. So this will be the radius. Excellent. So let me turn off the shake really quick so we can see what that looks like. So where's the shake at? We'll disable the shake. We'll disable the shake. What if we do it right here? So see, this is where okay, I get it now. So you can see how the distance is not equal to the radius. The distance is greater. It's because we're calculating the distance between the 2 points. And it works perfectly if I touch it on the side. But if I touch it diagonally, it's not going to work. Number will be squared. We did it. Oh, so there's no need for ABS? Okay, let's double check it. Let's double check it, guys. No need for ABS. All right, let's close that. All right, let's try it. No need for ABS. All right, it's double checking because it's squared. Yep, looks good to me. Proximity. We have to do one other thing because we has to be an int. So we have to do int. Here we go. We have to do int. Otherwise, it'll have issues. It'll have issues. Exactly is the neural network learning here? It's learning where the player's position is and where its position is. So it knows where its location is and where the player's position is, and then which general direction to head. Can this work on Unity? Yeah, 3D, absolutely. In real time, it absolutely can. You're totally right. You can totally do this in real time. So see how the AI is, it's not quite learning enough because like it knows that I'm over here. It knows I'm here. Oh, see, it's figuring it out. It's figuring it out, you guys. It's figuring it out. It's coming after us. It's coming after us. It's because it's level 1. It's level 1 AI, and then we're gonna make it really good. It's gonna get us. Oh no, it's gonna get us. Oh no, game over. Game over, you guys. Isn't that great? So the point is learning to get faster when you try to get away from it. It'll learn. Yeah, exactly. It learns where your player's position is, and it learns where its position is, and then it will go. So we know the position. So where is it at? It's just off screen. It's just a smidge off screen here. Oh, it's coming for us. Oh, it's coming for us. It's coming back now. You can't see it.